In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil on a Nissan NV2500. It is located in the engine bay area. Your engine has two different lengths of coils. Your long coil is for cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is your first 4 cylinders. Your back one is your short coil, and that's for cylinders 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's your back 4. After you lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have 8 21mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. You also have a center cap. You can remove that. Once you have all your lug nuts off, remove your wheel. Once you remove your wheel, you need to remove your mud flap. Your mud flap is held on by 3 Phillips screws. Then you have your third one underneath your mud flap. Once you removed your mud flap, you have 2 more Phillips screws above that. And then 1 more above that. Just on the inside of your fender liner, on the right side, there's a clip. You need to remove that. Then right above that, there's another one. And just to the left of that, there's another one. Peel back your inner fender liner away from the fender. And rest it on the other side of the rotor. Once we remove our fender liner, our plug for our coil is right here. You just need to push down on this tab and pull straight out towards you. Put that off to the side. It's held in by 1 10mm bolt. You need to remove that. Move these wires out of the way. Once you remove your bolt, pull straight up on your ignition coil. And out. And there's your ignition coil. Now you can take your new coil, slide it past the steering shaft. Once you get your ignition coil back into the tube, pull straight down and line up your bolt hole. Now you can install your bolt. You want to torque that bolt down to 80 inch-pounds. Now plug your coil in. Listen for the click. Now you can take your fender liner and reinstall it. Now you can install your clips at the top. Now you can install your screws. Now you can install your mud flap. Now you screw underneath your mud flap. Install your center cap. Now tighten down all your lug nuts. Once you tighten down all your lug nuts, you need to torque them down to 131 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.